So this is a biology question, and the question states, simple cuboidal epithelial cells line the ducts of certain human exocrine glands. Various materials are transported into or out of the cells by diffusion. The formula for the surface area of a cube is 6 times side squared, and the formula for the volume of a cube is the side cubed, where S equals the length of the side of the cube. Which of the following cube-shaped cells would be most efficient in removing waste by diffusion? So first, we need to talk about the factors that affect diffusion. So one of the factors is the size of the particle. The size of the particle is not mentioned in this question, so we can go ahead and ignore it. The temperature is also a factor, but is not mentioned in this question. Concentration is also a factor, but also not mentioned here. Membrane permeability is also a factor, but not mentioned. And surface area is a factor. And since the surface area is mentioned in this question, and we're given the length of the side of the cube and formulas for calculating the surface area, that's going to be our best bet for trying to figure out this question. So, it so happens that the greater the surface area, the more room there is for diffusion to occur. So the larger the surface area, the greater the rate of diffusion. So the question mentions an exocrine duct. So here I'll just draw a rough sketch of some simple cuboidal cells here. So that's from a side view. So if you were going to look from the top and out in outer space, you would basically see these cuboidal cells all bumped up next to each other. So, although the surface area for a cube is given as 6 times s squared, we're really just interested in side squared, since that's the area that's going to be exposed and involved in removing waste by diffusion. So if we take a look at all the cubes, we'll see the cube that has the longest side is going to give us the greatest surface area. So that is going to be answer D, with a side length of 40 micrometers.